This 2015 Coachmen Freelander 21QB is a Class C RV. It is located in Souderton, Pennsylvania, 18964 and is offered for sale by Indian Valley Camping Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Coachman is 23 feet 11 inches in length and features sleep 6, microwave, leveling jacks, skylight, oven, LP detector, refrigerator, auxiliary battery, stovetop burner, water heater, air conditioning, and 50 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features bunk over cab. This 2015 Coachmen Freelander 21QB is built on a Cheby chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.